Snake cube puzzle, step for step. First make the start position, a zigzag shape. Left you have the 3 blocks M shape, and on your right the 2 blocks W. Flip the first section over. Flip the U shape back. Turn the whole snake over. Now go 1 level up with this 2 piece to the right, and the left part is now 1 block higher. Now flip over the right half of the snake. Lift the middle section up. The left part is now on 2 blocks up and the middle section 1 block up. Turn the remaining snake section a quarter turn towards you. Twist the right half in the air. And this section back down. Turn this part back to you. And this goes a quarter up. Flip the final 3 blocks over. Fold the section with the 2 rows of 3 blocks back so the tail goes under the middle blocks. Twist the left part over the top to the other side. Now fold it up to the side. Complete the cube with the last section. Try it out yourself and check out our other amazing puzzles and subscribe to our channel.